Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to use Peak to deploy much more of its features and then also demonstrate how you can edit a workflow using Speak to deploy as well. So I'm going to create a chat agent based on workflow first just to demonstrate. So hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. To create your chatbot, we need to start with a name. What would you like to name your bot?
Yeah, I'd like to name my bot as the newest bot.
Great, we'll call it the newest bot. Next, what role should this bot have? Choose from lead generation, customer support, assistance and helping, marketing, intriguing, or smart and funny. Just let me know which role
Smart and
you'd
funny
like in your
should be
bot from
okay.
those options and we'll move on to the next step. Got it, we'll set the role as smart and funny. Now, what should your bot know about your business or product? You can share any background info, company rules, or special instructions. Or just say skip to leave it blank.
Yeah, skip it for now.
No problem. Would you like to add up to 3 suggested questions that appear on the chat widget, or should we skip that too?
Yeah, skip everything for now, other than this.
Alright, we'll skip the suggested questions. What language should the bot primarily respond in? You can say default for English.
Spanish.
Spanish it is. What about the widget's theme color? You can give me a hex code like hashtag 3B82F6 or say default to use the standard blue.
I think you can do a standard pink, probably.
Sure, to set a standard pink I'll need a hex code. If you don't have one, we can use the default color instead. Do you have a specific hex code for the pink or should we stick with the default
Yeah,
blue?
let's use default then.
We'll go with the default blue. Lastly, what time zone should the bot use for time-aware responses? You can say something like Australia Sydney, America New York, or just say default to use the standard.
I think Australia, Adelaide.
Bot created successfully. Now it's essential to add knowledge. Go to Chat Agents, find the newest bot, and click either Edit Data Agent or the data center icon. You can add files, web content, cloud storage, or YouTube videos. After adding, go to the Embed Data tab to activate the knowledge. Without data, your bot has no information to share.
Yep. So as you can see now, it asks me to basically add knowledge over here, and I could basically ask it to add knowledge to my
Yes,
bot
that's the
as well.
crucial next step. Go to Chat Agents, select the newest bot, and click the Edit Data Agent or Data Center icon. From there, you can add files, website URLs, cloud storage, or YouTube. Absolutely. I can walk you through adding knowledge. Which
Yeah,
type of knowledge source would you like to add?
I'd
Files?
like to add probably a file type. Yeah.
I found your chatbot named the newest bot, which is set as smart and funny. Is this the bot you want to add knowledge to?
Yeah.
You're now on the File Upload tab for the newest bot. Click.
So that was just a demonstration of you could play around with it. It's gonna you just tell it the over like the main thing that you want to do, and it will take you step by step through it. So you don't have to actually think of what you want to do, but you still should know what you want to do so that you can be able to get it done. So let's go and try and see if we can use it to edit a workflow as well. So as you can see, if we go back right now. Yep. In the edit section of this, we already have a workflow that I created in the previous video. And I think what you can do is obviously chat to the chat to the speak to deploy again. You just tell it the workflow that you want to edit. You tell it that you want to edit this workflow. Whatever details you want to edit, you can specify in detail if you want to create a workflow that's entirely new, or you want to edit specific details you should mention those specific details. And once obviously it's done editing, it's going to show you the updated workflow once it's done with it. So that's one way of editing the workflow itself as well. Yeah, thank you.